In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could close background apps here on a MacBook Pro. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now I'm on my Mac right now, and before we close anything, here's how you could tell which apps are running in the background. Look at the deck at the bottom of your screen. If an app has like a small little dot icon, like for example, Mail does right here, and I know it might be a little bit hard to see on this video, but if it has that dot underneath it, it means it's currently running in the background. Let's go ahead and use Google Chrome as an example, right? To close it normally, you would just right click on the app icon or do a two-finger click on it. A small menu is going to pop up and then you just find quit on here. Simply select that and then that dot will disappear, meaning the app is no longer running. You can do the exact same thing with apps like Safari or really any other app in the dock. Now let's say an app is frozen or not responding though. To force close it, what you're going to want to do is just go ahead and hit Command and then Option and then Escape. And this is going to bring up the force quit application section right here. Find whatever app it is and then hit force quit, confirm it, and then that app will immediately close. There's also one other way to manage background apps. What you're going to want to do is hit Command and then spacebar to bring up the Spotlight search. From here, go ahead and type in Activity Monitor and hit Enter to open it up. Look over on this left-hand side for this search bar, type in that app. For example, type in Google Chrome, right? Using this one as an example. Essentially, go ahead and find the app that you want to close, click on it, and then find this little like stop sign, X sign up at the very top. Click that, and then it'll force quit it as well. But it really is as simple as that. That is how you can close background apps here on your MacBook Pro. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.